classification of acids. In this, the acid is classified on the basis of origin and on the basis of their strength and on the basis of their concentration. Let's discuss about the classification of acids on the basis of their origin first. On the basis of their origin, the acid is classified into organic acid and mineral acid. Okay. So organic acids are those which are derived from living organisms such as plants and animals are known to be as organic acids. Some example of organic acids are tartaric acid, and citric acid, and lactic acid. See, these all acids are going to derive from the plants and animals, such as this tartaric acid is present in the tamarind. From there we are going to extract this one, and citric acid is present in the lemon, and the lactic acid is present in the milk that we are getting from the cow. Okay, these are organic acids because we are getting these acids from plants and animals, that living organisms we are getting. So these are comes under the organic acids. And next, let's discuss about the mineral acids. That mineral acids are derived from inorganic compounds. So some examples of these inorganic compounds is that inorganic acids is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, These are some examples of mineral acids. Okay, these are derived from inorganic compounds. And then classification on the basis of their strength. Strong acid and weak acid. Okay, strong acids are those which can dissociate completely in aqueous solution, are known as strong acids. Let's give some examples of strong acids, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. These are the examples of strong acid, and these are going to dissociate completely in aqueous solution by producing H plus and respective anions, that is Cl minus, SO4 minus, and NO3 minus ions. These are going to produce. And weak acids, these are the acids which will not dissociate completely in aqueous solution, are known as weak acids. Some examples of weak acids are acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, and formic acid, that is HCOOH. These are some examples of that weak acid. These acids will not going to dissociate completely in aqueous solution. And the next one is on the basis of concentration. So on the basis of concentration, the acid is going to differentiate into concentrated acid and dilute acid. So concentrated acid are those which are having more concentration of acid present in it, and the dilute acids are those which are having less amount of or less concentration of acid present in it. So this is about the properties of acid and base and the classification of acids, bases.